Sae On is a South Korean singer, actor, and former Banana Culture Entertainment trainee. He was born on November 27, 1995. In 2021, he starred in Light on Me. It was streetcast by SM when he was in high school but had to refuse and go to university because his family was against it. He was accepted to study music at Seokyeong University but did not complete his studies. He gradually started to be in a rising period in his career. In 2017, he took part in the TV talent contest Produce 101 Season 2. Before Produce 101, he appeared in I Can See Your Voice in 2016. On the show, he explained that he was streetcast by SM when he was in high school, but he had to refuse because his family was against it and had to go to the university. After Produce 101, he also appeared on the survival show Mix 9 and was eliminated ranked 51st. He was accepted to study music at Seokyeong University but did not complete his studies. In 2018, he starred in a Daejang Jam Is Watching. He is well known for his handsome appearance and model look alike, with a good-looking figure and a cold gaze that can melt everyone's hearts. His acting career mostly started in 2018 with his acting in the web drama Devil Inspector 2, then the drama Daejang Jam Is Watching, the web drama Genome's Romance, and the short web drama The Reason Why I Can Only Like You. He is presently one of the most well-known TV actors in South Korea. He is confident about his talent and he decided to make acting as his career. Along with Kim Ko-hyun, he was the host of the Gmarket Global Shop program Insa Oppa on YouTube. His MC name is Youngbin. The videos are fully subtitled and gathered a lot of views on YouTube. Sae On has made his mark in the South Korean entertainment industry and has a bright future ahead of him. He likes sports such as soccer, bowling, and billiards. He also likes games, watching movies, and drawing pictures. He has attained quite much in his still early career and seems to be hungry for more and more.